me, my trusty Hilux has let me down. Sometimes I like to take to remote places, and so therefore I carry a decent toolkit with me. So I've got this giant toolkit. I also carry more spares in the car for fixing any problems that may come up on the tracks. Like my spiritual life, I like to have a toolkit filled with things like having the Holy Spirit in my life, prayer, good friends, and a place to worship God with. So when we think of our spiritual lives having a toolbox, my Hilux needs regular maintenance. Sometimes our spiritual life needs regular maintenance. What might you need to add to your spiritual toolbox?